How are you cooking the steak on the barbecue?
Hot and hard.
Hot and hard, and so you've put...
This is slightly
the
different with my
sausage...
sausages because
Yeah.
when I did my sausage last time, it was camping.
Oh, sorry.
This is a bit more luxurious.
Oh no, this is luxurious. This is beautiful. We're staying at Tara Valley.
Hang on, I'm trying to get my sausage straight, but it won't straighten up.
Yeah, I know. So you put the sausage on first, which is sort of an obvious thing, but some people don't know to do that.
You've got to cook them slow because they're continental sausages.
Yes. Oh yeah, and there's special sausages, yes.
Hot and spicy Italian sausage.
Nice. Big chunk of steak, and that's from Coles.
This hot
Finest
plate's not
quality.
hot enough.
Apparently the hot plate's not hot enough. You put a little bit of oil on the steak and a bit of salt on the steak.
No, you got it wrong.
Which?
Salt first, then oil.
Sorry, okay. And
you don't oil the pan because that makes too much
no, but
smoke.
it's not a pan, it's a barbecue.
Doesn't matter. You oil the steak.
Okay.
Salt, oil, go.
Anyway, let's come back in a little while.
The steak is standing. I hope it's good.
How's the sausages going?
My sausage is hot and hard, as you can see.
There's 2 sausages there. Have you got 2 sausages on the hot plate?
I do have 2 sausages. And they're very tasty.
That's good stuff. There is the standing steak on the side. Very important for a yummy steak.